it can lead to dangerous cancerous tumor masses are also increasing because of these conditions as well. We might be wondering, my family, none of them had, I have been living a good lifestyle, I'm eating healthy, but if you're not sleeping, you're going to be in trouble. So what I wish to tell you is these immune assassins are working if we don't cooperate with our healing time, which is sleeping. So tragically, we had a study which showed people not sleeping enough had or sleep deprived for the entire night. For one single night, if you have, then we are going to look to see what is the percent reduction in immune cell activity. It is 10%. It's not small, but it's 10%. There was a 70% drop in natural killer cell activity for people who didn't sleep well. That's a concerning state of immune deficiency. You can perhaps understand that why we are not finding significant links between short sleep duration and your risk for development of numerous forms of cancer. Currently, the list includes cancer of bowel, prostate, and breast. In fact, the link between a lack of sleep and cancer is now extremely strong.